Okay. Proposal day. Hindi ako, obviously. Okay. Outfit of the day, aloe Aritzia. Chill day lang kasi medyo malamig. I'm a girl, I'm so chill, yeah. Okay. Sobrang praning ko na naman. Meron na naman akong daladalang sing-sing. Tignan ko niyan to every minute of the second. Okay. Few clothes lang. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalamig sa Korea. Sana hindi pa naman super lamig. Pero it's November. Ganito lang din ako magmamalita kasi guys, literal, I'm not even kidding. Isang araw lang ako dun. Mga 2 days, gano'n. Ah! So, okay, patience is a virtue. Mahal-mahal mo, sira ka na. Baka mag-backpack na lang ako para mas marami pang kayang dalhin.
I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
Backpack lang ako sa trip kasi hindi ko alam guys kung nakwento ko na sa inyo, pero pumunta ako ng Korea last time. Nakakap ako, naka-glasses ako, ganun. Tapos may nagpa-picture sa akin na Pinoy. Nandito ako sa airport. Siguro mga 20 na tao na Koreano nakasunod sa akin. Nakala siguro nila idol ako. Hindi nila alam, mukha lang naman to, wala akong kwentang tao. May feeling maging K-pop, ganun. So hello kay ate, taga ano siya, FA kasi siya sa Emirates. Hindi naman sila nagpa-picture pero sumusunod talaga sa akin. Titignan nila ako kung sino ako. Okay, nandito ako ngayon nag-withdraw ng ATM. So guys, nandito na ako sa sa aking hotel. Sa local Stitch creator. Nag-arrive ako dito 3 AM. Check out ko 11 AM. Check it out tayo. Galing oh, automatic. Ganda guys, pakita ko sa inyo kasi baka hindi ko siya mapakita mamaya. Wala, naiinis ako, ba't sobrang late ako dumating? Ang ganda dito guys, 4K a night lang siya. Ay, wow! First time masaya ako sa room ko. Ay, may kitchen. Pwede ka hanap ako ng convenience store. Pero guys, 11 AM yung check-out. Wow! Ang ganda ng room. Bye, wala lang kayo. Ito siya. Then, ayan siya. Tapos meron ito yung bed ko. Tapos ito yung ref. May laman ba? Okay, may tubig ako. Thank you. Tapos ito ang banyo. Ang ganda. First time guys, ang saya ko sa hotel room. Ayun, nagtitipid kasi ako lagi sa hotel room. Pero ito kasi sponsor ni Manny. Dito pa kami gumala sa Korea. Gutom na ako, saan tayo kakain? Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Tara, inom kami. Okay, dito kami kakain ni Ate Carl sa first ano namin.
Libre ako ni Philip sa
Hindi ikaw maglilibre. Ikaw talaga. Hindi, promise wala akong cash.
Ay, gusto ko to.
Sige, orderin mo lahat. Libre mo naman. Thank you kay Ate Carls. Ayan, libre niya ang aking first Korean meal. Kasi nilibre ko naman siya ng Uncle Mo's. Nasa kimchi.
Ano ka ba? Gusto ko ng ano.
Masarap din.
Yung may kapares. Bakit yun ako? Ang sarap niya.
Mahal ba yung Juna dito? Sarado sa pinuntahan naming Hollies, so dito kami sa convenience store, bibili ng kape. Pero kailangan ko pa kasi magising kasi mamaya na yung proposal.
Kapag mayaman pala ganun, pag mahirap kinakanta. Kamis ba?
Ay, masarap eh. Ito para lang may laman yung ref ko. Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Ang lamig!
Tingnan mo na sa mama.
Naninigas na ako.
Wala ka. Wala na.
Ang lamig! Okay, good morning guys. Actually, wala akong tulog. I haven't slept. Tulog ko mga 20 minutes. Hindi ako nagigalaw. Okay, because today is the day. Woo! Ay! Buksan ako ng taxi. Ang ganda! I'm so excited for day. Ayan, so medyo mahal yung taxi. Magkano binayad ko? Ayan o! Pretty, pretty, pretty. Tan tanan tanan tan tanan nana. So, tapos binayad ko 40,000 won. So around almost 2K. 2,000 pesos. Ayun na yung photographer ni Kuya Gab. Hello po Sir Philip po. Hello po. So bali may ano ng plano sa ring?
Dito, yung ring, no? Sige.
Hindi kaya baka malito siya pag
Yun nga,
dinrap sa ano eh.
Pwede rin naman yung image ko sila. Or, ikaw ba sa tingin mo?
Sabi ko sa kanya baka pwede maghanap akong banyo tapos magbanyo siya para bigay ko sa
Pwede,
kanya.
actually. Yung nearest na CR dito, doon nasa building na yun.
Okay. So doon, medyo malayo rin, no?
Malayo. Tsaka magka-cross pa.
Or dito, mayroon bang store na
parang wala rin.
wala rin, no? So, paano kaya strategy? Iiwan sa floor, tapos hanapin? Pero baka makita ni, ano eh, no?
Dadamputin niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Baba niya mismo. Kung makukuha niya lang ang bag niya.
Yeah. Biglang nag-ayos ng mga damo. Parang gusto kong tanongin kung pwedeng tumigil muna sila. Try ko. Ito na yung gift ko sa kanila. Sabihin ko dun sa mga nag-aano manahimik muna. At naninigas na ako dito. What if dito tayo magtago? Ganda oh. Wala pa sila. So basically guys, nakahanap na ng spot doon. Andito yung ring. So hindi ko kasi mabibigay yung ring kay Kuya Gab na hindi siya magmumukhang obvious. Kaya iiwan ko na lang yung ring doon sa floor. Kunin nyo na kung gusto nyo. May time pa kayo. Bilis, nandun siya. Kunin nyo na. Bilis, bago pa niya makuha. Kaso ngayon guys, I have to figure out kung paano ko siya vivideohan ng patago. Kung paano ko sila mabividyohan. Kasi kailangan mavidyohan ko yan. Since photographer lang yung meron sila. So ako talaga yung taga-video. Ay, paano ba to? Okay, ito na yung wedding gift ko sa inyo. Hihiga ako. Hi ka bro.
Hi.
Para makuha ang shot. Mukha pala akong tanga.
Kunwari turista. Dumi na ng likod mo. Ayan na, lalakad na sila. Padiretso na. Ito? Baba ka ng konti, brother. Okay, here we go.
What the? Is that Enzo? I saw someone kneeling in the. I said, "What's that?"
Okay,
He hasn't even started speaking. I'm crying already.
See?
I don't.
Remove your shades.
My hair is ugly.
Mukhang tanga, Phil.
It's so scary.
Anyways, you know,
How are you gonna talk to these people?
we've been together for 6 years, and I know it's been rough, but
I'm sorry your parents couldn't be here, family couldn't be here. But at least, you know, before your grandfather passed away, I got to ask him.
You did?
Yeah. So I got to ask for his blessing. The last thing he told me was, "Oh, are you sure?" He even made a joke. He was like, "Oh, you still have a week to back out."
You said that?
Yeah. I was with your parents. Your grandmother was there also. I mean, they couldn't make it right now because, you know, but at least my brother's here.
Yeah, but he looks like that.
But yeah, I mean, when you asked me, I wasn't sure. Of course, you can't be sure if you're ready for a marriage, you know. But if you ask me na, are you sure I'm the one you wanna marry? That's not your question. Your question is, are you ready to get married?
Actually,
Right?
both.
But your question with, if I'm sure you're the one I'll marry, it's a yes. I also got the shape that you want, so left leg ba to, right leg?
Make sure your back is straight. Make sure your back is straight.
Left leg ba to, right leg?
Make sure your back is straight. Make sure your back
Okay,
is
so
straight.
will you marry me?
Yeah.
Left hand, right?
Yeah, Blueberry.
Let's be happy.
I am happy. What the heck?
You look stupid.
But
girl.
Enzo really looks so.
Hello! Hey, how are you? Kamusta? Thank you, congrats.
He's so awkward.
Hey, I'm your videographer.
Mukhang tanga si Phil eh!
Ow!
Sabi ko baba siya eh. Baba pa
I'm your videographer.
Diyan ka, tignan mo, hindi kita makikita dito. Ganyan sa ganyan ko.
Alam mo, I was thinking kasi if I don't
Young guy with a camera bag. It's like,
Oh my gosh. I literally look over and there's a guy hunched over here in a hood.
tignan mo, sobrang kita ka ng ganyan ko.
well, I need to video it. I was thinking if I don't video it, that's gonna be worse than you see me here.
And you know what's funny? I know that jacket, so I saw it, I was like, is that Enzo?
Sobrang layo ng dinrop sa amin. Sobrang doon.
Congrats, buddy.
Did you like the rig? That's the shape and the color you like. Okay, I guess. It's my speech time.
You know what's so funny? He slipped up, I think, because he said earlier in the taxi, he said, oh, my brother's coming to Korea, and like, he's coming here to Korea. And I said, what do you
Sinabi mo
mean?
na pala eh.
No, kanina, bigla sinabi ko, oh, my brother, I feel like my brother's coming. Nadulas ako
No,
kanina.
sabi niya, my brother's coming. I said, who brother? He said, Enzo. And I said, he's coming to Korea. He said, yeah, I think he's coming with Russell. And I said,
Idiot ka, no?
Yeah, you remember I said a while ago?
I literally laid down here. I did this so you...
finally!
Bro, sobrang kita ka dito, sobrang sobra.
Okay lang, mukha naman akong
It was
videographer.
so bad. No, actually, did you not see his brother here? Just crouching?
No, I saw him and I just rushed. I was like, oh, he must be him. I was shocked too. Someone was like, I was like, what the fuck? It happened.
Congrats.
I'm finally relieved.
I was like, finally, what? Crouch, can you crouch again? So
I was like this oh.
sa'yo eh.
I was like...
Bro, baba ka pa.
more, a little bit more, a
It
little
was like this oh.
What, literally?
Kasi mas important naman na may video.
Literally, sobrang lapit pa naman niya.
But where did you get the ring?
Here. He kept it under the cap.
Under the cup.
Oh!
White work.
Yeah, that was good.
Who saw the cup? You saw the cup?
I did. Sabi niya,
No,
why is
I
there a
didn't.
cap? Sabi mo, why is there a cap?
No, I said, why is the guy crouching
yeah.
there?
Why is there a guy crouching there? Sabi
No,
niya.
because I literally was walking, I said, what the?
My sister was supposed to bring it too. Yes.
Give it to me.
I am wearing white.
Hindi ko man ako nakabit.
It's okay.
Wala si Manik dito.
Ayan, pareho kayong white. Hindi okay yan. Come be the man I need. Tell me you got something that I want it. What ring is it?
It's my little diamond one. That's
Literally
like
just now.
silver.
Help us!
Hala. Is it gonna fly away?
No, it's heavy. What can I do po? Ang episode.
Oh my gosh, Alfred. I'm wearing it.
Maganda rin pala yung fall eh.
Pwede ba akong pa-solo pick na isa? You gotta get that fit pick. Yeah, I gotta get that fit check, bro.
Tulog ako. Salamat naman. Mga 4 hours din. So, after ng proposal, nagpunta kami dun sa parang cafe. Ay, kumain kami, tapos nagpunta kami sa cafe. Kaso talagang yung bumibigay na talaga yung katawan lupa ko. Katawan lupa, mami! Ikaw ba yan? Yun yung mga words ni mami. Honestly, talagang gumagano na ako kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya kasi 0 hours of sleep ako. So, I had to go home na talaga. Pero mag-meet kami nila Kuya Gab niyan. In a few hours, maliligo lang ako niyan. So, ito yung room. Bagong room siya. Same hotel pero bagong room. Tapos, here's the bed. Tapos, here's the bathroom. Ayan, so magbabata ba? Si Ate Ina, nanganak na.
Talaga?
Pero okay na yun.
Naman, safe naman. Okay, healthy naman.
Healthy naman.
Ano naman dyan, babe?
Hanggang bukas lang, pero sobrang pagod ako, grabe. Tapos as in pagkalan ko, proposal na agad. Si Kuya Gab. Diba?
Sunod-sunod kayo,
Sunod-sunod nga eh. Dapat kasama si Ate Nix. Buti na lang, hindi na-cancel yung flight ko kasi ako yung may hawak ng sing-sing.
잠시만 기다려 주십시오. 우리는
Ay!
횡단보도입니다.
Hindi ko naintindihan sabi niya. Anyway guys, may nakita ako dyan, Paris Baguette. Okay, naghanap ako salted bread. Okay, bread lang siya. Post-engagement breakdown.
Breakdown? Oh.
Sabi ni William, it's so funny, you're trying to be serious and Bay was just laughing because of your brother.
Because I couldn't stop looking at him. Like, I was crying, but I was laughing. Oh, William's taking us to a sus alley right now.
I think it's so easy.
You guys have healthy kidneys, right?
We won't drink, bro.
Okay, we're here at Woman.
Truffle oil based mushroom soup.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Cream and I
Sarap naman.
Nasa siyang carbonara sauce na. Terminal... I have to check pa. First time trying...
together.
This is seaweed, right?
I don't think so. Is it?
No.
무런차요, 맑은 소금은
I need to have samgyeopsal and chicken
Yeah, I told William.
before I leave.
Let's get samji tomorrow.
감사합니다.
미디엄.
요거는 조금 더 익혀드렸어요.
좀
미디엄, 네, 미디엄 정도.
미디엄.
네, 요거는 지방이 좀 더 많아가지고요. 미디엄
I just got traumatized because Lisa Claus has 이분한테 커피를 많이 주세요.
Did you say more? Many?
No, you like...
Oh. Did you say like...
I said, give you a lot of caffeine.
That's so true.
Who drives a Jaguar, goes to clubs, meets and daps up everyone. Now, here he is, successful businessman with a beautiful fiancée.
Magaling to.
He's grown up, and I just want to say cheers to growing up, but still keeping your day ones beside you, your friends, and just being a role model to what a man should be.
Amen.
Amen. Cheers.
May cheers pa.
Tapos yung pili lang ni Ate yung mga negative na.
Dun, 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 dun. Cheers! They're engaged!
I'm engaged.
고맙습니다! Avoid. Grabe ang lamig. Pero to, bibili muna ako ng So nice to see you. I miss this place. Pero not to be biased or anything, mas gusto ko pa rin sa Japan. Okay, bili lang ako mga stuff. So let's have breakfast. Ito, never ako nagpo-promote talaga ng products ng ate ko. Pero ang ganda talaga nitong sunscreen. Hindi never na ako nag-oily. Ang puwet ay privado. Bawal. So dalawa, nag-mix ako. Ano password ito? Maganda ba? Hindi ko alam kung maganda ba yung transition. Parang gusto kong uwi. Ang daming ganun na akong gawin sa Pilipinas. Bakasyon ba? Ganyan ang buhay ng entrep. Feeling. Hindi. Mahirap pala talaga pag hindi ko syempre. Ang feeling nakakainis. Okay, automatic. Ito. Dito tayo. May escalator naman pero... tinatamad ako. May escalator naman tayo. Okay. Very quick Korea trip. ko, naglalakad dahil sa ka-feelingan ko. Say hot chick.
No, stupid ass me.
What if the traffic just never ends? You're just gonna... Guys, we're here at... What university is this?
Ewha Women's University.
Ewha Women's University. Damn, it looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna be late for class.
Bye.
To go to my economics class.
You're going towards a church, but you're going to economics?
I'm gonna be late. Oh, wait, I see my friends. 안녕하세요. I see them, I have to go.
Oh, yeah, 안녕.
반갑다. class. I see those are my friends. They see me. Those girls. Yeah.
You want the pink though? No?
You know what they say? It's so tiring to be the woman in the engagement. You're gonna take a lot of photos, right? I'm joking kasi diba it's usually the girl who takes. Can you take a photo of me?
No. It's him.
Walang hawak. We got photo booths.
Look at each other lang again.
Cute.
Talk to each other.
Oh, it smells good. Where are we?
Oats coffee.
We're Oats Coffee. Are we Hongdae? It looks promising. It smells very good.
We're in Yonam.
It smells like Cinnabon. Dito daw.
Lorenzo's leaving us.
Yeah, their airport. Oh, I see it.
Thank you for coming, bro. Appreciate it.
Incheon International Airport.
Here?
Yeah, don't go
Okay.
to Seoul Station, okay?
前，请务必确认您的航班和
Kapag nabili nito, huwag niyong tatapon kasi i-check siya. Lesson learned ako guys, na never na ako magbabackpack ulit. Pag nagta-travel kasi ang sakit sa likod.
Magandang gabi po. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Minsan namiss ko yung may nagsusunod sa akin, gano'n. Pero okay na rin to. Kasi guys, mahilig ako mag-solo travel. Diba? So lagi naman ganito. Kaso dati kasi yung Grab, madali lang dun sa labas na airport. Actually, okay na rin to. Mas madali. Para hindi masyadong crowded din. Pero crowded pa rin sa labas eh. So parang nalipat yata lahat ng Grab dito sa isang area sa Terminal 3.